Test 1 2 3. Hi guys, welcome to another Blender tutorial. If you're a new subscriber, I upload Blender tutorials, 100 subscribers, let's go. Today I'm gonna show you how you can combine particle system and fire simulation in Blender and weight paint. I recorded this tutorial a couple days ago, but I don't combine this with weight paint, and I wanna show you how you can do this. Maybe you're a beginner, you don't know about this. So I am in Blender. As you can see, I'm gonna select my cube by the left click, X, and delete. Shift A. On the mesh I'm gonna choose plane, S, and move the mouse to make it bigger. I'm gonna bring this plane up by the G, Z, and move the mouse up. I'm gonna travel. You can travel in Blender, basically just go on the view right here, of course, navigation and log navigation, right click and assign shortcut. I have Shift F and Shift F VSAD, and basically I can travel. Now I'm gonna select my plane by the left click, click tab to go to the edit mode, right click and choose subdivide. I'm gonna open this side window and click subdivide by 100 times, enter, and once again click tab. Now I have selected my plane and I'm gonna create first I must go to the particle system. I can go and click this plus. I'm gonna adjust number of particles, something like 20,000 or whatever. And first I must select my plane, of course, by the left click and go right here from the object mode to the weight paint right here. The stupid circle appears. I can draw whatever I want. I'm gonna draw perfect circles, of course. Let's go, Da Vinci. Stupid smile. This is my Mona Lisa. Yeah, stupid talk. Object mode. I'm gonna switch this to the object mode, and we're gonna use this data, this weight paint, in our fire simulation using this particle system. So on this icon, yes, on this particle system, just select your plane, particle system right here that we created, yes, half a minute ago. Go on the vertex group right here, and on the density just choose group. Basically this is the data, this stupid face that I drew. Now I have selected my plane. Go to the object, quick effect, and quick smoke. You can of course adjust this position of the domain. Domain cube is basically where the simulation, fire simulation, gonna have place. This is the bigger cube, this fucking cube. Let's go. Now I'm gonna select my source, this plane, and go on this icon right here and change this to the fire. Boom, because I want to just show you. I'm gonna open this side stuff and change this from mesh to the particle system, and I'm gonna select my particle system, boom, right here, yes, that I created a minute ago. I'm gonna select my domain cube, and you can adjust the resolution, play around on the stuff if you want. I'm gonna just switch this to the all and render something like 100 frames, because this is just fucking tutorial, and select this box and bake all. And the baking process is in work, basically, as you can see on the timeline right here. Now, and as you can see, this is basically my fire simulation using the data with particle system, and this particle system using the data with weight paint that I drew this stupid face. I hope you get it how this works. This is not that complicated. So what do you want to do? Of course you can select your domain cube, go to the shader editor and build more to this tree if you want to have better result on your fire. I just want to show you that this is the fucking face. So on the black body, whatever it's called, I'm gonna select something like 77. And if you don't want to have this in render, this plane, yes, this source, to have seen, just right here on this window, select the plane, and you have this icon right here, this, and you can disable this on the viewport to this fucking eye right here icon. As you can see, this is my fire simulation using particle system, and particle system using the weight paint. I hope you get it how this works. As you can see, let's go, and I'm gonna change the engine right here on this icon to the cycles just to show you. I record this very fast because I record this tutorial and I basically record this 100 times, the same stuff. And I'm just switching. As you can see, this is my fire simulation. This is my stupid face. This is my fire. I hope you get how this works. Thank you for watching, guys. You can draw whatever you want on your plane, yes, or do whatever you want, basically using a particle system and on this icon. And you can of course subdivide your object and go to the from object to the weight paint and draw some stuff to have more control on your fire. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video.